Hi, it's Andy here, and I'm going to provide a bit of an explanation of how we tackle some of the treatment challenges that are posed given the current raw water position. Rivers and reservoirs are very, very low, and it does pose some different challenges for us at the water treatment works. I'm here just to give a bit of an insight into exactly what we do. Now, we've had quite a number of queries and questions about, don't we just supply water from the reservoirs and rivers direct to customers' homes and businesses? Unfortunately not. Here is a sample that has been taken this morning from Eccup reservoir. As you can see, the reservoir is pretty low at the moment. That means that the quality of water, as the reservoir levels and river levels do fall, do pose a few more challenges. And as you can see here, the sample is much dirtier, much more particles that are contained within the bottle. And our job is to make sure that we remove them, make it clean and potable for customers to safely drink. I'm now here at Eccup Water Treatment Works in North Leeds, and here we have the raw water that's come direct from the reservoir. We've done nothing to this yet. The first stage of the process here at the treatment works is to add some chemicals as part of the clarification process. And as you can see, we're already seeing the difference it's making in terms of the quality of water. It's a bit clearer, but more importantly, we're starting to create these larger particles which will aid us remove them as part of the process, which I'll show you next. We're now at the next stage of the process. The water coming into these tanks looks like this, and within a few minutes, the water leaving the tanks shows this quality. You can already see we've improved the quality of the water by removing the larger particles such as turbidity, colour, and we've also started to remove some of the bacteria in the water as well. We'll now move over to the next stage of the process that we call filtration. The water is arriving at the filters looking like this. Percolating through the gravel and the sand within each of these filters, it turns out like this. Pretty good quality at the moment. However, we've still got some nasties that we need to remove as part of the disinfection process. We're now at the next stage of the process, which is taking our filtered water, putting it through another set of filters, but also adding the final stages of disinfection. So we add chlorine to the water, and that means that we're killing off all the bugs, all the bacteria and any other nasties that still remain in the water to produce this excellent, brilliant product that we know our customers have come to expect of us. Now, if you just recall, this is how the water started and this is how it ended. A brilliant transformation, a complex process, but it means that we're still providing that excellent quality water to all of our customers. Hopefully that's given you all a bit more of an understanding into the complex processes that we operate here in our water treatment works, and showing the brilliant energy that we put into ensuring that we are taking this reservoir and river water and producing this fine, excellent drinking water for all of our customers. Thanks again for watching, and thank you for your continued understanding and patience.